So everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Farhan with Magarsa. Today what I'm gonna show you is very fun tutorial. So I'm going to include every protocols of Cisco device in this my tutorial, and we are going to configure almost all protocols of Cisco device in this configuration. So follow me and let me tell you something about this topology. So this topology is looks like this. So it has four VLANs, four VLANs by this side. So four VLANs are this one. So VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 13, the VLAN 40 is this one, and and in another side also it has four VLANs. So VLANs are these VLANs are VLANs VLAN 50, VLAN 60, VLAN 17, the VLAN 80. So these VLANs are also included here. So these all VLANs are going to be connected to this router, and this router is also connected to this ISP router or internet service provider. So this interface is going to be connected to this interface of ISP router. So there is also another remote network. So remote network is this one. So remote network is also going to connect to this uh, ISP router. So we have common ISP router. So we have a common internet service provider with this network. So uh, at the end of the day, we are going to connect this from this specific network to from this specific local network to this remote network, specifically these end devices. So guys, follow me until the end of the video. Uh, so let's start configuration. So configuration is going to be started from this router. So this router are redundant router for these two networks. So this router and this router are redundant router. Uh, if one interface is fails, then this network is going to not going to lose to internet, and then it can connect to this router by this way, and then by this router it can connect to this internet. So redundant router are used to connect to internet if one router interface is down. So without wasting our time, let's start configuration. So first, I have guideline for that. So my guideline is this one. So first I will just, yeah, first I just written some guidelines. Yeah. So first we are going to configure what this sub interface of router. So let's configure sub interface of router. Sub interface of router configuration means just we have two redundant routers, and and other locally connected network are going to use this router as default gateway. Because of that, we have to configure the sub interface of router. The sub interface means dividing one physical interface of router into different logical interfaces. So creating sub interface means dividing or sharing single physical interface into different logical interfaces. So as you can see here, we have only we have only one physical router, a physical interface of router, and because of we are going to have many networks need to follow in this single physical interface. We are going to create many sub interface in this router interface. So to do that, it is very easy. Just click on this. and then say no, enable, then config or configure terminal, then let use host name to change name, then router 2, then router 2 is going to be this router, yeah, going to be this router. Okay, let see which interface is going to be show for there. So G001 is it? No, G000. Okay, G000. So this G000, let's disable this the label. So let's configure. So config interface G gigabit 0.0.0.10, then IP address. So because of you are going to do many configuration, let's write one time at one time here on notepad and then copy and paste there. So it is very easy, guys. It's nothing but to save our time. We can do it here. So interface gigabit ethernet gigabit ethernet gigabit ethernet gigabit ethernet, yeah, I'm correct. Then 0.0.0.10, then encapsulation, then dot 1q, then 10. So encapsulation dot 1q 10 means we are going to enable trunk in this interface. So trunk means it's not access. Many traffic can follow in this interface. So that is encapsulation dot q. Then 10 is the VLAN name. So IP address 192.168.10.1, and then 255.255.255.0. Then standby. Let's do standby configuration also here by one time without wasting our time. Then standby, then 10, then priority, yeah, priority 110, then standby 10, then IP 192.168, then 10.100. So I think it's good. So let's no shut down, no shut down, no shut down, then X. Then guys, let's test whether or not this configuration is something error, and let's make sure this configuration is uh, nothing error by pasting over here. So if it is nothing error, we are good. Otherwise, we will change some error if it is there. So it is, yeah, it's good. Nothing is error. So let's start to configure others also. So below this, paste, then change this one to 20, this one also to 2, this one to 2, this one also to 2, this one also to 2, then this one also to 2, then this one the last 2, then this also good. So let's paste this one also. in this as well. So paste, then change this one to 30, for VLAN 30 guys, for VLAN 30, then 30, then 30, this one also to 3, this one also priority. Priority means by default, host standby routing protocols has priority 100 by default. This 130 is greater than the default of the HSRP uh, Cisco router. So to this one also to 30, this one also to 3. So this also great. Let's copy this one and then paste here. Copy this one 40, 40, 40, 4. For this guys, for VLAN 40, not nothing. It's very easy for VLAN 40. Then configuring for VLAN 40 or on that router and configuring this and this notepad is the same guys, because we are going to copy from this and paste there. Let's go packet tracer router. So let's copy this all. So until this one, it's actually not required. I have pasted there the first VLAN 10. So let's copy only this one. Yeah, and paste this on this interface, guys. So paste. Yeah, good. So everything is going pretty nice, guys. So uh the only left is uh, not shutdowning this router. Interface gigabit 000, then no shutdown. So these all are now changed to app. So X. So guys, now the only left is configuring for this interface gig 000, gig 001. This one. So this one is gig 001. So let's configure for it also. So come here in the change some configurations this. So so this one is 1, node 2, this one is 50, this one is also has to be 50, this one also has to be 50, this one yeah, this one also has to be 50, this one is also has to be 50, this one is also has to be 50. Yeah, just for remembering when we configure it. So 5100. So this is that. This is that. Yeah, yeah, everything is fine. Then let's change also this one also to one, and this one to 60. This one also to 60. This one also to 60. This one also to 6. That means 160. This one to 60. This one also to 60, priority 60, just for identifying it. So everything is also fine. So let's come here and let's change this one to 1, and then this one to 70, this one to 70, this one also to 70, this one also to what? 70, this one also to 70, this one also to 70. This one also to 70 guys, this one also to 70. Yes, so this is also fine. So let's change this one to 1. Let's make sure this one is changed. Yeah, it's also changed. So this one is, so this one is 80 guys. 80. This one is 80. This one is 80. This one is 80. 180. Then because of the last, it is the last. So everything is fine. 80. 80, yeah, everything is fine guys. So what's this? So dot give standard by routing 70, 60, 50. So this is good. Let's come here and let's paste it until the 80 part is good. What all this? So let's copy this one. Then let's copy this one and paste this one to this router. To this router. Maximize. Then so paste here. Yeah, nothing is error. So everything is going pretty nice. So the only left is no shutdown that interface gig 001 no shutdown. So everything is now up. So X then do right. So everything is nice. So this interface up. So let's come here. So now guys, let's come to the switch part. So let's come to the switch part. So this switch is fast Ethernet 01. So this fast Ethernet 01. So for the switch part, let me see the interface name, interface port. So this switch is F0, F01. So let make so according to my guidelines. So what I'm going to do in the second part is that